Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 1.1 Walk a little slower from standard 9th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.1 वॉक अ लिटल स्लोवर या कवितेचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. Question number 1. Read the poem aloud. Walk a little slower ही कविता मोठ्याने वाचा. Question number 2. Put the words given in brackets in the proper blanks. मित्रांनो, कंसात दिलेले शब्द योग्य त्या रिकाम्या जागी भरा. A. The dash dash is talking to its dash dash. Answer. The child is talking to its father. B. The dash dash is leading and the dash dash is following. Answer. The father is leading and the child is following. C. Someday the dash dash will become a dash dash. Answer. Someday the child will become a father. D. The dash dash does not wish to fall while following its dash dash. Answer. The child does not wish to fall while following its father. Next question. Question number 2. Find and write pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Words that appear at the end of the line. मित्रांनो, कवितेमधून खालील शब्दांशी यमक जुळणारे शब्द शोधून लिहा. Answer. 1. Small, fall. 2. See, me. 3. Be, me. 4. True, you. Next question. Question number 3. The meanings of the words in the following pairs show that they are related. मित्रांनो, खालील जोड्यामधील शब्द हे एकमेकांशी संबंधित आहेत हे त्यांच्या अर्थावरून समजते. एक्झाम्पल. डॅडी और फादर रिलेटेड टू चाइल्ड. फॉलो रिलेटेड टू लीड. फाइंड 5 मोर पेअर्स ऑफ रिलेटेड वर्ड्स. अशाच प्रकारच्या संबंधित शब्दांच्या आणखी 5 जोड्या लिहा. आन्सर. 1. टीचर स्टुडंट. 2. डॉक्टर पेशंट. 3. गिव टेक. 4. ओनर सर्वंट. and 5. come and go. Next question. Question number 4. The child in the poem requests his father to walk slower. या कवितेतील लहान मूल त्याच्या वडिलांना सावकाश चालण्याची विनंती करते. Here the poet implies that the child wants to understand his father's action better. येथे कवी असे सूचित करतो की त्या लहान मुलाला त्याच्या वडिलांची कृती चांगल्या प्रकारे समजून घ्यायची आहे. The child would like to act the same way, but he wants the father to be more understanding towards the child's needs. त्या लहान मुलाला वडिलांचे अनुकरण करून जीवन जगायचे आहे, परंतु वडिलांनी त्याच्या गरजा समजून घ्याव्यात अशी त्याची इच्छा आहे. What is implied in the following lines? खालील ओळीतून काय सूचित केले आहे? 1. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Answer. Sometimes the father's actions are too quick for the child to follow them properly. 2. Sometimes your steps are hard to see. Answer. Sometimes the actions of the father are so difficult that the child cannot understand, observe, and act accordingly. 3. And I would want to lead just right. Answer. The child who is grown up now wants to guide his child correctly in the journey of his life. 4. and know that I was true? Answer. The grown-up child is confident about his opinions, judgments and actions in his life. He was correct and sincere throughout his life like his father. Next question. Question number 5. Using your own ideas, frame 3 sentences that show continuous action. Example, you are leading me. मित्रांनो, तुमच्या स्वतःच्या कल्पना वापरून चालू क्रिया दर्शवणारी 3 वाक्ये तयार करा. Answer. 1. I am playing cricket. 2. He was helping his mother. And 3. She was making us laugh. Next question. Question number 6. Using your own ideas, frame at least 3 sentences that show future action or state. मित्रांनो, तुमच्या स्वतःच्या कल्पना वापरून भविष्यात होणारी क्रिया दर्शवणारी 3 वाक्ये तयार करा. Examples, who will want to follow me? Or when I am all grown up. Answer. 1. They are going to arrive tomorrow. 2. I shall be 16 years old in 2022. 3. He will write a letter. Next question. Question number 7. Discuss the following and write the summary of your discussion in the form of bullet points. पुढील मुद्द्यांवर चर्चा करा आणि त्या चर्चेचा सारांश ठळक मुद्द्यांच्या स्वरूपात मांडा. Question A. How are certain ideas, customs, knowledge passed on from one generation to the next? काही कल्पना, चालीरीती, ज्ञान एका पिढीकडून दुसऱ्या पिढीकडे कशा प्रकारे हस्तांतरित केल्या जातात? Answer. 1. Preserved by forefathers and passed on to new generations. 2. Continued to exist till this date. 3. Mythological literature, Vedas, folklores, fables and arts instilled cultural values into them. 4. Known to them through celebrations of festival and religious ceremonies. 5. Every community wants to preserve their cultural heritage because of their conservative mindset. Next question. Question B. Is it necessary for children to follow the footsteps of their forefathers? मुलांनी त्यांच्या पूर्वजांचे अनुकरण करणे आवश्यक आहे का? If yes, why? जर आवश्यक असेल तर का सांगा? Why is it sometimes necessary to change the old ways? कधी कधी जुने मार्ग बदलण्याची आवश्यकता का असते? Answer. Yes, it is necessary to follow the footsteps of our forefathers because of its importance in life and the moral values it involves. Sometimes it is necessary to change the old ways because many of the traditions and customs are based on superstitions which cannot be explained by reason or science. Have to accept good modern ideas to safeguard the moral standard of people which is declining everywhere. Next question. Question number 8. Do you have a role model? तुम्ही एखाद्या व्यक्तीला आदर्श नायक म्हणून मानता का? What qualities do you appreciate in your role model? तुम्हाला तुमच्या आदर्श व्यक्तीमधील कोणते गुणविशेष आवडतात? Answer. My role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former president of India, the man behind India's missile program. I appreciate his intelligence, dedication to his duty, hard work and simplicity, his commitment to inspire and guide the youth of India. Next question. Question number 9. Think of an occasion when you did not like the decision or actions of your family members but realized later on that they were right. Write about it in 5 to 8 लाईन्स. तुमच्या कुटुंबातील सदस्यांचे काही निर्णय किंवा कृती तुम्हाला आवडल्या नाहीत, परंतु नंतर त्यांचे म्हणणेच योग्य होते हे तुम्हाला पटले. असा एखादा प्रसंग आठवा व त्याबद्दल 5 ते 8 ओळी माहिती लिहा. Answer. My parents have kept a strict rule for me that I can watch TV only for half an hour daily. As a child, I used to dislike this restriction as my friends did not have such a rule at their homes. But now I realize that my parents were right in teaching me discipline and keeping a balance between leisure and studies. I could study, play, watch television and still have time to pursue some other hobby. This habit taught me to manage my time properly. Next question. Question number 10. Within 2 minutes, write as many phrases or sentences as you can using a little. A little या शब्दाचा उपयोग करून तुम्हाला शक्य होतील तेवढे वाक्यप्रचार किंवा वाक्ये 2 मिनिटात लिहा. Answer. A little while. I need a little more time. Move a little forward. A little earlier. You just need a little bit of luck. A little old lady. Quite a little milk. A little confusion. I found him a little smarter. असे एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्ही देऊ शकता. अशा प्रकारे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.1 वॉक अ लिटल स्लोअर या कवितेचा वर्कशॉप अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.